Welcome back to Jeff Carbuoy YouTube channel. We have another product. We're gonna do a quick open box and review, and this time round I've been in a situation whereby I need frequent and constant lighting, especially when working on the vehicle and it's at night time. Probably you had a situation. So this working light, it has 21,000 lumen work lights with stand, two adjustable head LED work light with adjustable and foldable tripod stand, waterproof lamp with individual switch, 6500 Kelvin color temperature. So let's go ahead and show you how to assemble, and it comes with a real instruction step by step on how to do it. So let's go with step one, and hopefully this video will help someone out there. Watch and enjoy. These parts are easy to install. Step two, real quick. I followed that guide. It was clear, easy to follow, no complications. Anybody can do this. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I highly recommend that you do it, and by doing that you really support me, and I thank you. For those who have already subscribed, thank you for your support. You need this writing, make sure you check on the description. There is a link where you can buy this lighting. Follow that link and it will lead you to where you can buy it. And that link is actually an affiliate link. That means when you buy something there, I'll get a small commission without you having to pay anything extra. So one thing I noted here, when you are connecting this legs extension, you have to really sit well. And this one is an example. This is a bad example. So this one you have to reconnect and let it sit well on the threads and redo it properly, something like that. And there we go. Hopefully you like this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you share on your social media and stay tuned. Enjoy.